Unplug your range before starting the repair. Locate and remove the 7 knobs from the control panel. Open the oven door. Locate and remove the 3 screws from under the control panel. Remove the control panel, but not all the way, because it's still connected to the unit. Wear gloves. The control panel has sharp edges. Locate the encoder switch on the right side of the unit. Locate and remove the 3 screws from the metal plate. Carefully remove the metal plate from the unit, but not all the way, because the encoder switch is still connected to the unit. Locate and remove these 2 screws from the metal plate. Carefully set the metal plate down to access the encoder switch. Unplug the encoder switch. Replace the old encoder switch with the new one. Plug in the cable to the new encoder switch. Place the encoder switch onto the metal plate. For the correct orientation, make sure the cables are pointing down. Secure the encoder switch to these 2 mounting points on the metal plate. Slide the metal plate into the 2 slots on the unit. Use a screwdriver to secure the metal plate to the unit. There's 3 screws in total. Slide the control panel into the 3 slots on the unit. Secure the control panel to the unit with the 3 screws from earlier. Close the oven door. Place the knobs back onto the unit.